I'm Kim, and again, Edith's not here. I'm doing back-to-back videos. This one is Beautyfix, which again, I could have done with my last one, which was BoxyCharm, as they're probably around the same price, I'm guessing. Oh gosh, I'm using scissors to cut, so bear with me. Okay. And this one always has a lot of skincare products, which is nice. That's kind of why I didn't want to compare. They gave me 2 of the little things inside. Okay, but first thing is, let's see, Bioderma Hydrobioserum Moisturizing Concentrate. That's really tiny. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, and then I have 100% Pure Bright Eyes Depuff and Brighten. I can't read all of it. I think that's what all it says. And then, let's see, I have Skin Medica AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. So I do like things that exfoliate. I have Christoph Robin's Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. I don't tend to use the scrubs on my hair. I mean, I know I can section my hair and like do it that way, but I really haven't tried using any of them yet. I usually give them away. And then Paula's Choice Exfoliate 8, I'm reading the side, Skin Perfecting 8% AHA Gel Exfoliant. So another exfoliant, if I could speak correctly, it's not that late. And then Skin Ink Supplement Bar Collagen Serum. So I think that's the second serum in here. Maybe I'm mistaken. Are any of these a serum? First thing, maybe. Oh, is this Hydrobioserum? So maybe 2 serums. I don't know. And then, I forget how you say this. I don't know how you say it. I don't know how you say it. It's R-A-H-U-A. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry. I don't want to butcher the name of it, but that's a shampoo and conditioner. And then I have Kula's Mineral Sunsilk Cream Sunscreen, SPF 30. It's kind of tiny too. And then the last thing, but not least, is DHC's Face Wash Powder Facial Cleanser. And pretty good products as always. I like Beautyfix's items. I want to say they're by Derm Store. Yeah, Derm Store. So as I mentioned in the other video, we're going to be doing a giveaway probably coming up in a week or so. And so my sister just wants to gather some of her items. Otherwise, you want to stay in tune for that because we're going to be drawing the name sometime February 5th or so, I think, or something, so it gets enough time to ship. Other than that, thanks for watching and hope the video was quick enough for you. Take care. Bye.